Click on the link below to get price. The Dehumidifiers Absorbers Home Electric Air Dehumidifier is a remarkable addition to any household, especially for those struggling with excess humidity in bathrooms or other enclosed spaces. One of the standout features of this smart dehumidifier is its compact design, which allows it to fit seamlessly into various locations without taking up too much space. This is particularly beneficial for bathrooms where space is often limited. Operation is straightforward, with an intuitive interface that makes it easy for anyone to use. The dehumidifier operates quietly, which is a significant advantage, as it can be left running during the night without causing disturbances. It features automatic shut-off capabilities, which is crucial for conserving energy and ensuring safety. Once the water tank is full, the device turns off, preventing any potential overflow. The efficiency of the dehumidifier is impressive. It effectively removes excess moisture from the air, significantly reducing the risk of mold and mildew growth. This not only creates a healthier environment but also helps preserve bathroom fixtures and paint finishes, extending their lifespan. Users will appreciate how quickly the unit begins to show results, often within a few hours of operation. Another notable aspect of this dehumidifier is its energy efficiency. It is designed to consume minimal power, making it an economical choice for continuous use. Additionally, the device is equipped with a smart humidity sensor that automatically adjusts its operation based on current moisture levels, ensuring optimal performance without unnecessary energy expenditure. While the dehumidifier primarily excels in bathrooms, it is also versatile enough to be used in other areas of the home, such as closets, basements, or laundry rooms. The sleek design and unobtrusive operation make it a practical solution for any space that requires moisture control. In conclusion, the Dehumidifiers Absorbers Home Electric Air Dehumidifier is an excellent investment for anyone looking to improve their indoor air quality and combat humidity. Its efficiency, ease of use, and energy-saving features make it a top choice in the market.